Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a custom-sized design in Canva and prepare it for a clean, professional quality print. Whether you're designing stickers, labels, business inserts, or any project that needs exact dimensions, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. By the end, you'll know how to create a design from scratch, customize it properly, and export it in the best format for printing. Let's jump right in. First, head over to Canva and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right corner for the Create a Design button and click it. This button is basically the starting point for every Canva project. You'll normally see preset options for things like Instagram posts or presentations, but today we want complete control over the size of our design. So instead of choosing a template size, click on Custom Size. This is where you can enter your own dimensions manually. For this example, let's use 100 by 100 pixels, but you can adjust this based on your own project needs. One really helpful thing in Canva is that you can switch between different measurement units, like pixels, inches, millimeters, or centimeters. If you're designing something for print, many people prefer inches or millimeters because those measurements match standard print sizes more closely. Custom sizing is important because it ensures your final design prints correctly without awkward cropping, stretching, or resizing issues later. Once your dimensions are entered, click Create New Design. Canva will open a blank canvas using your exact measurements. Now the creative part begins. On the left-hand side, click on the Elements tab. This section contains shapes, icons, graphics, illustrations, and decorative pieces you can use in your design. If you're creating a label or sticker, a good place to start is with a background shape. Maybe add a square, rounded rectangle, or circle depending on the style you want. After that, you can layer in extra design elements like lines, icons, patterns, or small graphics to give your project more personality. Try not to overcrowd the design though. Especially with smaller print projects, keeping things clean and readable usually creates a more professional result. One of the best parts about Canva is how easy it is to experiment. You can drag elements around, resize them, rotate them, and test different combinations until something feels right. Once your layout starts coming together, it's time to add text. Click the Text tab on the side menu and choose a font style that fits your project. Canva offers tons of options, from modern and minimal fonts to playful handwritten styles. Type your text, then adjust the size, spacing, and colors so it stands out clearly against your background. If things don't line up perfectly at first, don't worry. Canva automatically gives you alignment guides and snapping tools that help center everything neatly. You can also zoom in for more precise adjustments, which is especially useful when working on smaller custom-sized projects. Before exporting, take a moment to double-check everything. Make sure your text is readable, your spacing looks balanced, and no important elements are too close to the edges. Small details make a big difference when something is printed. Now, let's prepare the design for export. Go to the top right corner and click Share, then select Download. This next part is important. For the best print quality, choose PDF Print as your file type. This format keeps your design sharp and high resolution, making it ideal for home printers or professional print shops. If your design includes colors that need to look accurate in print, PDF Print is almost always the safest option. Once you hit Download, Canva will generate your file and your custom-sized design will be ready to print or share. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom-sized Canva design from scratch and prepared it for professional printing. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment below with what you're creating, and subscribe for more easy Canva design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.